New pharmaceutical tariffs could double the cost of essential medications. The Trump administration has announced a sweeping new tariff policy targeting brand-name drugs manufactured outside the United States. This move aims to force a massive shift in the pharmaceutical supply chain. But the immediate consequence for patients could be a 100% increase in the price of life-saving medications. The strategy: incentivizing domestic manufacturing. The administration's primary goal is to reshape the industry by incentivizing pharmaceutical companies to move their manufacturing operations from foreign soil to American factories. To avoid these steep tariffs, companies are being given a strict timeline to negotiate the construction of U.S.-based plants. Large pharmaceutical companies have 120 days to reach a deal. Smaller companies have 180 days to reach a deal. All selected companies must complete the construction of their American facilities by January 2029, while industry giants like Pfizer and Johnson & Johnson have already entered negotiations. Many other manufacturers have yet to secure a deal. For those that fail to negotiate within the next 4 months, the 100% tariff will take effect, effectively doubling the cost of their products. The impact on consumers: a price surge because pharmaceutical companies often pass increased operational costs directly to the end user. A 100% tariff translates to a 100% price hike for the consumer. This is particularly critical for patients who pay out of pocket or have high deductibles. Below are examples of high-demand medications manufactured abroad that could see drastic price increases by August. Heart failure and cancer treatments. Entresto, heart failure, currently manufactured by Novartis in Switzerland. Without insurance, the price for 60 tablets could jump from approximately $717 to $1,434. Keytruda, cancer immunotherapy, manufactured by Merck in Ireland. A 4 ml IV solution could rise from roughly $6,001 to $12,003. Lenvima, thyroid and kidney cancer, manufactured by Eisai in Japan. The cost for 60 capsules could surge from $25,142 to $50,285. Diabetes and weight management. Ozempic/Wegovy, type 2 diabetes weight loss, manufactured by Novo Nordisk in Denmark. A 3 ml subcutaneous solution could increase from $1,011 to $2,023. Why this matters: the economic and health trade-off. This policy represents a high-stakes gamble on economic nationalism. By using tariffs as a lever, the administration is attempting to revitalize American industrial capacity and reduce reliance on foreign supply chains. However, this creates a significant tension between industrial policy and public health. While the long-term goal is a more robust domestic manufacturing base, the short-term reality is a potential price shock for patients. For those managing chronic conditions like heart failure or cancer, these sudden price hikes could create significant barriers to accessing essential care. The success of this policy depends on whether pharmaceutical companies choose to invest in American infrastructure quickly enough to avoid passing massive costs onto the patients who rely on their medicine. Conclusion: the new tariffs aim to force the pharmaceutical industry to move production to the U.S., but they risk causing an immediate and massive spike in medication costs for patients in the interim.